teach you how to navigate CoinMarketCap and filter cryptocurrencies based on market cap. If you are venturing into the world of cryptocurrencies and want to focus specifically on those mid-cap coins, this guide will help you narrow down your options efficiently. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to CoinMarketCap's website. This is a comprehensive resource used by investors worldwide to track cryptocurrency prices, market capitalizations, and a wealth of other valuable information. On the homepage, you'll find yourself amidst a dynamic, ever-changing list of cryptocurrencies, updated in real time. It's easy to feel a bit overwhelmed by the sheer number of digital currencies displayed, but don't worry, we'll streamline that view. Just above the extensive list of coins, you'll notice a strategically placed filters button. This small, yet powerful button is your gateway to a more focused search, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, a menu of versatile filter options will drop down in front of you. Among these options, you're going to want to find the category labeled Market Cap. This is your main tool for sizing up the cryptocurrencies according to their total market value. Now, think about what specifically you're interested in. If your goal is to concentrate on mid-cap coins, you might decide on a specific range to fit that category. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's say we're aiming to consider mid-cap coins. A comfortable range for this would be setting the minimum market cap to about $100 million and the maximum to around $1 billion. Enter these numbers into the designated fields. If you're experimenting or have other criteria in mind, this is your opportunity to adjust those figures to match your particular interest or investment strategy. Once you've set your range, the next step is to solidify your choices. In the bottom section of this filter menu, you'll notice an option labeled Apply Filters. By clicking this, you effectively command the CoinMarketCap system to only include coins within your specified market cap range. After applying the filters, watch as the coin list undergoes a transformation. The page refreshes, and what you see next is a neatly tailored showcase of cryptocurrencies. These are specifically within the $100 million to $1 billion market cap range, ready and waiting for your analysis. Congratulations! You've now successfully filtered the vast world of cryptocurrency down to a more specific list. From here, you can dive deeper into each coin, explore their individual pages for more detailed information, and make more informed decisions about your next moves in the crypto market. And that's it for today's tutorial on using CoinMarketCap's filtering tools to refine your cryptocurrency research. Thanks for joining, and happy investing.